Hey everyone, this is Calvin Samuel Seafood. So let's start simple. So in today's class, we are going to talk about the introduction to cloud computing, different types of cloud, benefits of using cloud, capex and opex model, service responsibility model, types of cloud services used. So what is cloud computing? Cloud computing is just accessing computing resource like storage, servers, and networking over the internet. So instead of having to set up a physical hardware, we just rent it from big platform like Microsoft Azure or Amazon Web Services. It's fast, flexible, and super efficient. So as a user, we need to have a desktop or a laptop. Then we need to connect it to cloud provider services through internet, of course. Then we can compute resources. So few of the computing resources are like wireless storage and virtual machine and so on. So the types of cloud. Now, not all clouds are the same. There are three main types: private cloud, public cloud, and hybrid cloud. So private cloud. Private cloud is used only by one company. It's secure and totally under your control. Public cloud, open for everyone, like Azure or AWS. It's still very secure but shared. Hybrid cloud, it's a it's a mix of both public and private cloud. Think of private cloud like your own personal car, public cloud like Uber, and hybrid like owning a car but using Uber when needed. So the benefits of using cloud are, so why is cloud so popular? Here's why. First one is cost efficiency. No huge investments. You pay only for what you use. Second one is safe and secure. Top level security managed by the cloud provider. Third one is scalability. Need more power? Add it. Need less? Scale it down. The fourth one is flexibility. Work from anywhere, home, office, even at a beach. But the only thing is you need to have internet. Third one is high availability. It's always on. Cloud systems rarely go down. The next one is reliability. Delivers consistent performance and it's also accurate. The third next one is disaster recovery. If something crashes, data can be recovered easily. Cloud is like having a superhero backup team, always ready and always reliable. So the next one is capex and opex model. So the first one is capex. Capex is also known as capital expenditure. You buy everything upfront, servers, data, centers. It's expensive and fixed. So the definition of capex generally is money which company spends to buy, upgrade, maintain or physical assets like building, servers, and equipment. In cloud terms, it refers to upfront cost of buying hardware like servers, network, equipments, data centers, and so on. Private cloud is usually a capex model. The next one is OPEX. OPEX is actually operational expenditure. It's like pay as you go. You rent what you need and pay monthly. It's flexible, manageable, and smart. So how to say it? Capex is like buying car outright. OPEX is like using Uber. You pay only for what you use. The next one is service responsibility model. Here's a common question: who handles what in the cloud? Well, it depends on the service type, but in short, cloud provider handles the infrastructure and we handle the data. So let's get into the service responsibility model. The definition of service responsibility model will be defined as the responsibility between the cloud provider and the customer, depending on the types of cloud services. The three major types of cloud services are IaaS, infrastructure as a service; PaaS, platform as a service; SaaS, software as a service. So IaaS, infrastructure as a service. It's like you rent a virtual machine, you control OS, apps, and data. OS is nothing but the operating system, whereas the Azure handles the backend. For example, Azure Virtual Machines. The next one is PaaS, platform as a service. It's like a service model which provides a development platform for building, running, and managing application. Where you just need to build the app. Azure takes care of the operating system, service, and platform. Example: Azure App Services. SAS is nothing but software as a service. It's a fully managed software. You log in and you start using it. Example, Microsoft 365 or Google's Workspace. It's like this. IaaS is you cook with your own ingredients. PaaS is you get prep ingredients and you just cook. It's like basically frozen food where you have to open and bake it or boil it. And the next one is SaaS. Food is delivered to your door, ready to eat. So definition of Azure. Azure is a Microsoft cloud platform. It offers everything from virtual machine, storage to AI tools, networking. Think of it as one-stop shop for running any kind of application or services. So to wrap it up, so to bring it all together, we explored what cloud computing is, the types of cloud, what it offers, how companies shift from CAPEX to OPEX model, our responsibilities are shared, the different service models like IaaS, PaaS, SaaS. We also got a glimpse of Microsoft Azure. Thank you for being such a great audience. I hope this session gave you a clear understanding of what cloud computing is. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.